This is the Anbernic RG557 and is not just another handheld, it's a retro console, a smart TV box, a cloud gaming machine, and even a full console you can dock to a monitor. So let's just see how far this little device can go. This Anbernic RG557 has a 5.5-inch AMOLED display powered by a Dimensity 8300 processor with 12 gigs of RAM, 250 gigs storage and micro SD support. It runs Android 14 with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Translation: more than enough for retro, cloud and even some modern emulation. But here's the twist, this handheld doubles as a media box. I installed Jellyfin and paired the Firestick remote. Now I can browse and watch my movies like a smart TV, whether I'm on the go or plugged into a monitor. Oh, of course, Anbernic is known for retro. PSP runs full speed. Here we have 4X 1080p God of War Chains of Olympus. PS2 is smooth. I start with Need for Speed Underground. This is running at 2.5x, followed by Bully. And even GameCube titles look amazing on this AMOLED display. Titles like Luigi Mansion. And there's no problem at all with N64, Mario Kart. With the right emulator, the RG557 can cover nearly every classic console up to the 6th generation. Surprisingly, it can even handle some NS titles. Lightweight games run really well, giving you modern portable gaming beyond retro. So let me just show you some titles. And here where it gets crazy, with Xbox Cloud Gaming, I can play my Game Pass library anywhere. Halo 5 stream to the RG557 feels like a full Xbox console experience right in my hands. And of course you can use Moonlight to stream your PC games. Now this doesn't need any introduction. Here I'm running Hogwarts Legacy.
Done that? Come and see me.
And this is my favorite part. Dock the RG557 to a monitor, or a TV in my case. Grab a controller, and now it's a full living room console. You get to play anything you want. You can watch movies, play your retro games, or modern cloud games, all from one handheld. So that's the RG557. Not just a handheld, but a complete all in one device. Retro games, easy. Media and streaming, it's done. Xbox Cloud, Moonlight, even some light switch games, it handles them. Would you use the RG557 this way or keep it just for retro? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. I got more handhelds, DIY console, and media box projects coming up. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.